All right, I'm about to show y'all something that y'all may not be hip to just yet if you're in the Cleveland area. It may be in other places, but I know it's in the Cleveland area. This is the OLA online liquidation auction site. And what it is basically Amazon returns that have been, some of them are open box, some of them used. A lot of stuff is new. I've got a lot of new stuff off here too for really, really cheap. So, and it's usually more than 50% off of the original price. So, like, this is an idea. So right here, you see that sign was 100% off, right? So you getting it at a starting bid of $1. And certain things, if you get it and nobody else is interested in it, you'll get it like this lemonade dispenser, $2, which was 98% off the original price. So scroll through, find something that you like. You can narrow down the warehouse that you want to go to. So like that, I'm just putting in the warehouses that's close to me. Scroll through, find some stuff. You can search for stuff. You can go through. It's a lot of different things on here. I bought some headphones. I bought a bunch of stuff. I bought heated gloves for the wintertime. So here I'm gonna get this citrus squeezer, lemon squeezer. It's a heavy duty lemon citrus press. Its current bid is $1. Regular price $29.99. So I put a star in it. You see where the star in the right hand corner was hit. So that puts it in your watch list. So this is an iron board. I was actually looking for a new iron board at the time. That one was open box, I think. So I did not. Oh yeah, I did star it, but I did look for something else, another one. So put that one in the watch list. I clicked on the next one. That one is brand new. So you see how I say condition new, and then I'm scrolling through. You see it's still in the plastic. Yeah, that was a really good one right there. So current bid $3, regular price $59.99. So I started that one. See the right hand corner? Boom. Put that in the watch list. So that one still had a few hours left on it. Go in my watch list. You see everything there. Got the lemon squeezer. Got the ironing boards. So that lemon squeezer was about to end. Current bid was still $1. 34 seconds left. So my strategy is, you put in your max bid at the most that you want to do it, and you do it right at the end of the auction where it's like 20 seconds left. So that way it limits the amount of people that can beat you. So I wanted to put in $5. I accidentally put in $500 instead, but it worked out in my favor because nobody's paying over $500 for a lemonade squeezer. Boom, so I won it. Next was the ironing board. So that one had 13 seconds left. I put in $30 because that was my 50% discount off of what I wanted to pay. So I'm winning it for 12. Somebody did put in another bid, but they can't beat me because they don't want to go over $30 on that. So their strategy was probably like they wanted 75% off. So I got that one for 12. So this is the auction warehouse. This is the one in Stowe, Ohio. When you go in here, please be careful because these people drive like crackheads. All right, watch out because they are fiends looking for this cheap stuff. You get in there, you're gonna click on the app, you're gonna go into your wins list and click on the self check-in button right there. Boom. It gives you a QR code and a number. So when you're in the warehouse, you wait and you wait and you wait and you wait and you wait, and boom, they'll call your number. And as you see here, so the people with the vests, they're coming out with the little handheld tablets, calling people's number. And then when they call yours, you see how this man, like, watch this dude. So I'm gonna speed up a little bit. So he walks up to the dude, he called his number, and right here you'll see somebody claims their stuff. Boom. He's gonna scan the phone, sign his name, and then he gives them his merchandise. So that's what you gotta do. So they'll scan the QR code on your phone. You'll see I'm about to walk up and get mine. They'll scan the QR code. They'll call your name. They'll call your number. You'll walk up. They scan the code. You sign your name on the iPad. You get your merchandise and you're gone. That's it. All right, go check it out, y'all.